Welcome to Mistine Deep Dive. Today we are exploring YBTC. This is the Roundhill Bitcoin Covered Call Strategy ETF. The goal of this fund is to give you high income every week while also letting you stay connected to Bitcoin's price. But it does this in a very specific way. It uses what's called a synthetic covered call strategy. What is YBTC? YBTC is not a normal Bitcoin ETF. It doesn't hold Bitcoin directly. Instead, it tracks other Bitcoin ETFs and then sells options on top of them. These are called call options. By selling them, the fund collects money upfront. That money becomes income for the people who invest in the fund. You still get exposure to Bitcoin's price, but if Bitcoin goes up too much, you miss out on some of those gains. How YBTC makes money. The fund sells weekly call options on Bitcoin-related ETFs. When it sells those calls, it collects a premium. That premium is cash income. It then distributes that income to the shareholders, which is you. You get paid weekly, and the amount depends on how much premium they collect and how well the fund performs. Income potential. YBTC has one of the highest yields out there. Its current income is around 62% annually. This means that if you invested $1,000, you could earn about $620 in 1 year from just the income. But remember, this is not guaranteed. The amount can change week to week based on how Bitcoin is moving and how much premium they can collect from the options. Dividend tracker. YBTC pays weekly. One recent distribution was about 51 cents per share. These payments can be large, but they are also unstable. 1 week might be high, another might be lower. It all depends on Bitcoin's volatility and how the options perform, how it compares to other investments. A regular Bitcoin ETF gives you full upside if Bitcoin goes up, but you get no income. A savings account gives you safety and a little interest, but very low income. YBTC gives you high income, but you lose some upside. It's like trading potential growth for weekly cash. Price stability and volatility. YBTC is very volatile. Because it is tied to Bitcoin and options, the price can move a lot. This fund is not for people who want a smooth ride. You have to be comfortable with ups and downs. It's designed to pay you income, but the value of your shares can drop quickly if the market turns. Sustainability warning. That 62% income sounds great, but it might not last. The income comes from selling options. If Bitcoin becomes too stable or the market changes, those premiums could shrink. And if they do, your weekly payments might get smaller. This is not a guaranteed yield, it changes all the time. Taxes. The money you get from YBTC is usually taxed as regular income. On top of that, the fund might have short-term capital gains from trading options. Both are taxed at higher rates. Talk to your tax professional. Just know that your tax bill from YBTC might be higher than from a normal dividend stock. When should you sell YBTC? You might want to sell if Bitcoin is about to take off and you don't want to cap your gains. Or if you want more price growth instead of weekly income. Or if you're not comfortable with the risk and tax complexity. This is not a buy and forget type of fund. You need to watch it. My meter rating: income 9 out of 10, risk 8 out of 10, simplicity 4 out of 10, long-term safety 3 out of 10, upside potential 5 out of 10, total score 5.8 out of 10. Is YBTC right for you? YBTC is for people who want high income and can handle high risk. If you understand options and you're okay missing out on some Bitcoin gains in exchange for steady weekly cash, this might work for you. But if you want long-term growth or less risk, this is probably not the fund for you. Final thoughts. YBTC is bold. It pays well, but it is not safe. It's built for income, not growth. You have to know what you're getting into. If you do your research and stay alert, YBTC could be a powerful part of your income strategy, but only if it fits your goals. If this deep dive helped, like and subscribe. Want me to cover another ETF or stock? Drop it in the comments and I'll break it down for you.